Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fortune Finders. Today we'll be discussing about ticker symbol CHPT, that is Charge Point Holdings Inc. This is an electric vehicle charging station company and operates in more than 14 countries, guys, and newly listed in New York Stock Exchange. So let's talk about Charge Point Holdings. Why is it a good buy now? I am pretty bullish on it, but make sure you guys do your due diligence as well. But I am pretty sure this company for the long term 2 to 3 years of horizon can make 10 to 20 times of the present value. Okay, so the Friday this stock closed at 20.48 per share. And why am I bullish about this stock is, let's see. If you see the statistic of this company chart, financials, because it's pretty new company, you may be thinking, oh, what is this Charge Point? But guys, the EV is a huge market across the world. This company is already existing in more than 14 countries, and that's not a joke. This is really huge achievement. They already have it. With the operating in 14 countries, their market capital is just sitting at 5.68 billions, and stock is only trending at 2048. So that is really very good value. If you see their stock chart, the chart is pretty good, and it's just corrected the stocks almost from $50 to for $20. If you see their all-time high was almost 49.48, and 59 2 weeks low is 9.61. So we are now at 20.48. That's pretty much 30 to 40% correction we are looking. But till today, if with respect to 52 weeks, it's more than 50% down due to the market sentiments. So guys, let's see their chart. How is that? So if you see their chart, okay, let's see their summary. Okay guys, so if you see for a couple of months, this was at 16 and then couple of ups and downs. But if you notice that it every down it's going down, but due to market sentiment it's still at 2048. And if you see the statistic, this kind of stocks are very rare, guys. The reason, if you see the market capital, it's 5.68 billion dollar, as I said. But the value of enterprise value, the company value, is way higher than market capital. So directly we are looking the 1 billion difference, 0.8 to 1 billion dollar difference between market capital and enterprise value. So with respect to this too, this cost must be sitting around $28. Okay, this is not only my calculations, guys. Just give a look at TipRank, what this is. Okay, so what target they give? Because with respect to enterprise value is still 6 plus billion dollar, the lowest target these guys is giving it $28. However, with the operating margin and their operation across the 14 countries, these stocks can shoot $46. That is almost double from the present value, more than 200%. So I should say more than 120%. Sorry guys. Okay, so here we can clearly see that this stock is having huge potential for absolutely, even from the lowest target is 28%. That is, you guys are still getting the 30% appreciation in that, and the top side, they're more than 120%. So second, at the same time, if you see today just investor or place, what this is, Charge Point stock is undervalued as the bull case gets stronger every day. And they nicely explain here why this stock is undervalued. Their merging is almost completed with shell company Switchback Energy acquisitions, and due to market sentiment, correction was 30% or more. But they are, if you see their financial and statistics, if you go down, what the case they have, see they have $145 million cash, with respect to debt of $57 million. And as I said, the market capitalization is lower than enterprise value. So what does it signifies? So if you see here, a company with more cash than debt with an enterprise value less than its market capitalization means this company is having more cash compared to their debt. Absolutely, we can see. So that's why this company is absolute buy according to my own due diligence, and this company is definitely going to grow within 2 to 3 years. I'm looking at 10 to 20 times of the present value, because this is a pioneer and a lot of more expansion are coming into this kind of electric vehicle charging stations expansions across the world. So I'm pretty much bullish. If you go to their on site, what they are projecting, why they encourage investors. So see guys, if you see how they did analytics, cumulative EV charging infrastructure investment in the US and Europe projected to be $60 billion by 2030. So within 8 to 9 years, they project 10 times of market capital minimum and 192 by 2040. This is huge, and this will not be limited to this. They may have a lot of other business opportunities. Go through this all, make your due diligence, and see why this company is worth for more than 10 to 20 times of price with respect to today's closing value. So Friday closing value was 2048. I am pretty much bullish and projecting price approximately 10 to 20 times within 2 to 3 years, and 20 times price within 6 to 10 years. That is minimum according to my own due diligence. But guys, I still recommend you guys to go through this all the details. Make sure you put your money safe and at secure stocks, so it definitely can be give you good fortune and good growth. Thank you so much guys. If you like this my channel, like this video, give a thumbs up. If you like it, subscribe. We'll be keep giving you more and more tips, more and more stocks. So thumbs up guys. Okay, good day, bye.